Hi everybody, this is Mr. Roche, and we are working with Pente, and we are trying to sort our move priorities. Okay, we have a defensive move array which collects move objects, and we were working on using this thing called a comparator to use, which we can use with array lists or anything that's a list, which is actually pretty cool, to go into the object that are in the list and sort by one of their fields, which is cool. Okay, and what we noticed was that we can't really use it with an int. Okay, like a native data type. So we're going to do this thing, and we're going to change the move object to make an integer for its priority, like an integer object. So what we did at the end of class is that we did this. We said this, and we were going to try this. And so what's going to happen is now we have to have get priority int as part of computer move object. We'll see if we can do this. Okay, so right now we have a thing called get priority, right? And what we're going to do, so we're going to make a public integer called get priority int. And basically all it's going to do is return a new integer based on the priority. Okay, so it gets rid of the error there, and then what we want to see is we do a save on whether it gets rid of the error here. See, la la la, it got rid of it. Okay, so that's pretty good. And then actually what we want to do is, let me see if I can figure this out, because what we want to do is actually reverse the order of the priority, right? And so what we're doing is we're sorting def priority, right? And then actually what we want is like the last move is going to be the highest priority move right now. Okay, let's try that out right now. Okay, did we make a toString for the object? I think we want to. Okay, so so to find out what's going on is I want to make a in computer move object, I want to make a thing called I want to make a toString, and you guys know what a toString is. String toString. And that overrides the toString that's in the object. Okay, and we want to return a string that's going to look like move at something like this. Let's see. I can send row and column, right? Row. Like that. And then, one of the priorities. Like that. I think yeah, so move at, let's do this. Row, column, priority. And we'll see what we get here, okay? Let's see if that's okay. What's going on here? Oh, it's not a string, sorry. Just do that. Okay, there you go. Okay, so now we got to do that. And then what we can do is we can figure out which is the computer move. So I'm going to go back. So I added two things to the computer move object. I added this cool toString, and I did this to make a integer class wrapper for the native data type integer. Okay, that's all I'm doing. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to computer move generator, and we want to look at it and see how it runs. Okay, so in get computer move, it does this. It sorts def priority. See it? Okay, and like right now we're not doing anything for this. We're gonna let it move. Let's go like this. Okay, so if we find def moves, we should go system out. We'll print the first and last one. Okay, so we'll print system out print line. First move is first def move. So, and we'll go like this, and we'll say dmoves dot get 0. Boom. Okay. And we'll do it again for the last move. We'll see which one has the higher priority. That's the thing. It should sort it, I think. And it should be here. Okay. So last def moves, dmoves get dmoves dot size -1. Okay. There we go. Let's find out what happens. Here we go. Okay, go. So save all this stuff. We're running again. And we're trying to see what happens. And here's Pente. We're going to play the computer versus, Bob. Okay. So there we go. Okay, so Bob gets to move. And then we'll see what happens. Okay, the computer moves here, but that doesn't matter. It's what's going on. Okay. Wow. Okay, let's find out where all this happened here. Okay. There it is. Okay, it's found first and last move with priority of 1. Yes, because it's only a 1. Okay, hang on, hold a sec. What? Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Okay, watch this. Okay, there it is. Okay, that's a 2. Okay, so we actually know it's a 2 now, and let's go over here. Let me see. Hold on, I'm just going to turn off a lot of priority stuff. Okay, hang on, just going to stop. Okay, so I turned off like most of the system out print lines in Pente game board. Okay, just to get a better idea of what's happening here. And I'll put this away, put this away. Let's run this again. Computer versus Bob again. Okay, so I move here, it moves there, and the question is, what's the thing? Okay, so we only have one priority. It it prioritized all the moves, but then that's what it finds. So this is like all ones. Okay, so we're looking for it to find like a 2 move. Okay, so if I go here, okay, that's a 2 move priority, and it moved against it. Okay, so this was a def move. The first move actually is priority 3. That's interesting. Okay, see that? So maybe it's okay. Let me go over here now. Let me see what it does, because this is, if I move right here, this is an unguarded 2 versus a guarded 2, so it should go for the capture. Ready? Ooh, it didn't do it. Okay, let's find out what happened. So let me see what's going on here. First move's at 6 and 11 with priority 3. Let's try to figure out what that is. So 1, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 6. Oh, it's still doing random moves. It's actually not doing our move yet. Okay, so it's actually trying to find this one, right? So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's good. And this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It actually wants to move the move there. Okay, in the first move one. Let me see. Then it has move at 614. Okay, that's 11, 12, 13, 14. That's a priority 1 move. That's right, this is just a move 1 over there. So if it's doing this, it looks like it's putting like the highest one up on top right now. But I'm not sure if it found this move, which should have been 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It should have found that. And that should have been the higher move for it. So let's look around for that, okay? It found this one here. Last time around it found that one. But, okay. So we gotta figure that out. Let me see what else it does here. If I go here. Okay, it took the capture there. That's good. Okay, let me do this. Ah, didn't find that. Moved here. Oh, I think it's still doing random moves though. That's the thing. So let me stop and let me see if we can. Let's stop right here, and then we'll try to like this is the thing. We just wanted to get this to work, and then what we wanted to do is we wanted to take the priority move. Okay. So let me stop right here, and then we can work on the priority move. Okay.